Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe, relate and sound these simple words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. They are just 4 words, so let's transcribe them. One after this is black. And this one is wall. This is house. This is room. Okay, we've transcribed them, so you relate them as you are sounding them together. Black, wall, house, room. Black, wall, house, room. I'll go over it just once more. Black, wall, house, room. God bless you. Thank you for clicking and watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.